Welcome to Old School Chemistry. Today we're going to do the ALEKS topic, constructing a histogram for numerical data. Now a histogram, this is a slightly different graph than maybe what you're used to. It shows frequency of your data, how often a data point falls into a certain category. Technically the category is called a bin. Here we've got our x-axis, and this is going to show the different bins, the different categories. In this case, it's showing 70 to 74, 75 to 79, so it's showing this group, okay? And then the y-axis is always going to be the frequency. How often your data points fall into that particular category, fall into that particular bin. So for my students, what I have them do is simply go one at a time on this, and I want to show you how to use the tool in ALEKS. So for example, I'm going to use my cursor, I'm circling 86, and I come down here and I go, oh, here it is, 86. You pull that up one. That means that I have one data point that falls into this category. 86 falls in the category between 85 and 89. And then I come here at 90, that's going to fall in this bin. 78 falls in this bin between 70 and 79. 74 goes between 70 and 74. 92. Okay, now I'm repeating. So I had one frequency, one. Now I have a second one. So I pull it up to the second one. I have two data points that fell in the 90 to 94. Now we are at 73. So again, I go up one more. I'm at 71. Ooh, I go up one more. I'm at 87, so I come over here to my 85 to 89. Let's see, 75 right here. There's my 75. Then we've got 79 is right here. 82, finally, look, 82, we finally got one right here. There's 82. And then I have a 91, an 89, a 93, a 94, an 85, a 76, and our last one is an 83. And there is our histogram. It shows us the frequency, how often a set of data points occur. So you can see in my bins, those ranges, 70, 74, you can see our most frequent range was the 90 to the 94. And let's go ahead and check this. Oh, something went wrong. Let me look really quick here. And if this happens to you, it might be just as easy to go back and redo it. See, so we have 86. And you know what? I think I will. We've got our 86, 90, 78. You probably saw me make my mistake as I was just talking fast. 74, 92, 73 was right here. 71 is right there. 87 is here. 75 was right there. 79. 82, finally got that one. 80, got another one. 91 was up here. 89, 93, 94, and then I've got 85 right here, 76, and 83. I should have written down. Oh, I think it was my 83 that I had made a mistake. Let's go ahead and check it now. So recheck, and there we go. I was probably talking and not paying as close of attention. But hey, I'm glad that you saw the mistake because you saw I fixed it. I started over. All right, great work. So happy that you're here. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.